In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Team Showcase in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then on the right hand side of the screen, you will see the tools section. From here, I want you to go all the way down, and near the bottom, you will see Team Showcase. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the Team Showcase widgets page. From here, click on Create Widget for Free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates they can choose from. And then on the right hand side here, you get a live preview of what the selected template will look like on your Squarespace website. Now this right here is for desktop, but if you click on the mobile icon here in the top right corner of the screen, you also get a mobile view of the template. Another thing I want to mention is that the design of these templates is not final. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But for now, simply go ahead and choose the template that you like the most. In my case, I'm going to go for the music band right here because, I don't know, I just like the look of it. Then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen, and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing the Team Showcase to our liking. So the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and add the relevant team members. In that case, we have 4 of them right here. So if I just click with these 3 dots, I can actually go ahead and edit this particular entry here, duplicate it, hide it, and delete it as well. In your case, you're probably going to want to delete all of them and go ahead and add new ones right here by clicking on this button. Then simply go ahead and enter the name, the position they hold in the company, their biography, a photo, an email, phone, location, website, and anything else that you find relevant they want to add to their profile right here. Then once you're ready, click on done, and that will be pretty much it. Simply go ahead and add the rest of your team members by following the same instructions. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and delete this right here. At the bottom here, you also see groups, widget title, call to action, and search. These down here, additional customizations they could take advantage of if you wanted to. So if I just click on widget title right here, as an example, we have Imagine Dragons in this case. You can also disable this title if you don't want it to be there, but I'll just keep it. You can add a caption. If you click on groups right here, you can also group your team members. Just enable this option, and then you can go ahead and add the different groups that you have. So for example, if you have a marketing team, a sales team, an accounting team, and so forth, you can put the different team members to their respective group. Then if you go to the left hand side of the screen, you'll see layout, style, and settings. These are even more customizations they can take advantage of to further customize your Team Showcase. So for example, if you go to layout right here, this is the current layout that we're using, but if I just go to this one here, you can see how it changes. There's 4 different options they can choose from, and each one of them has a little bit of a different customization they can take advantage of beneath it. As you can see, you can align the text here. So for example, you can left align it, you can right align it. You can also change the width of the overall widget. Then in terms of style here, you can change the color, the links color, the font, the widget background, the widget title, pop-up. You can even add custom CSS if you wanted to. But yeah, you get the point. I'm not going to go for every single customization they can take advantage of. I'll leave this up to you to explore and figure out at your own pace. But yeah, once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then the Team Showcase widget will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish it. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. Simply go ahead, click on it, and then your widget will be published. Then you'll be taken to the plans page, which is where we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here on the left-hand side, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as get more than 1 widget on your Squarespace website from Elfsight, or get more than 200 views on your Team Showcase, then you can obviously go for one of their premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But in my case, since I'm just recording a tutorial video, I'm going to go for this plan right here. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you. And then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to copy the code for the Team Showcase widget that we just created. Click on copy code right here in the top right corner, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. As you can see, I'm already in my Squarespace website. I'm going to click on it right here in the top left corner to get into the editor. And what you want to do from here is go ahead and add the section where you want your Team Showcase to be added to. In my case, I'll add a brand new section by clicking on that section right here in the bottom. Then it's going to be a blank section. Click on that, and then you'll see a blank section added beneath or above the element that you chose. Then in the top left corner of that blank section, you'll see this add block button. Simply click on it, search for code, and then click on option number 3. And what that's going to do is add this code block to your blank section. Double click on it, make sure the mode is set to HTML, and delete this text here and replace it with the code that we just copied from elf side. Give it a couple of seconds and then save and exit. And as you can see, here is my Team Showcase widget added to my Squarespace website. It looks super nice and clean. And as you can see, it's also fully interactive. Don't worry about this panel they see right here on the top. This is only visible by you, as it says on the top here, just in case you want to go ahead and make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Squarespace website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Team Showcase to Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.